Hey YouTubers, it's Chris. Happy New Year. Hope you had a good one. I did. And you know what happens when you don't get what you want for Christmas? You buy your own things. So, what better way to do the new year with a quick unboxing of the MANFROTTO Mini Pixie mobile phone smart clamp device. Yeah, it's a bit of a mouthful, so let's go with it. Alright, so after you get through the nasty bit of plastic, and let's face it, this is not really an unboxing, people, this is just a degloving. We've got the clamp, the little tripod bit, and that's it. Simple instructions included with a little bit of advertising for their other stuff, but let's move on really quickly. So looking at the actual device, it's a few hundred grams in weight, so you have to think about that when you're maybe using this, but let's face it, compared to like an SLR for vlogging, which is what I'm going to use this for, by the way, it's a lot easier to hold, and you can actually position it so you can, you know, put it out in front of you like this and vlog. So I'll do a quick demo of that right now. So here we are with the mini tripod, and I've got it like a bit of an angle thing like this going on, and this is the type of effect you'll get with the LGB30. Alright, let's now try that with just a mobile phone. Okay, so here now I'm just using my hand to hold the mobile phone, no mini tripod. I'm guessing that the picture's a bit closer and there's a little bit tighter frame around me. Both good and bad things, but I figured that the little bit wider aspect out here would be a great idea. And so as you can see, it actually works quite well. By pushing this button in, it enables you to actually shift this around to any position you want, let go, and it stays. It's pretty good. Folds out really well, creating a nice solid base in which to work from. There's little rubber feet on the bottom, so you can comfortably put it on most surfaces and it won't move around. Great, tick MANFROTTO. And the clamp itself, it's made of plastic, so it's a bit cheap. But you've got the two different screws here for a quarter mount, so you can put it onto a tripod if you want to. Obviously we're mounting it to a little mini tripod in this situation, or if you really get creative, get out your Joby or whatever your brand is and attach it to that, giving you even more reach. Yeah, more reach. Is that really necessary now? I'm going to try not to use that on my next trip because it's just a look that goes with vlogging and it's embarrassing, so yeah, you know what I mean, don't you? You do. And thirdly, you can also use it when, say, you're on an airplane, you want to watch a movie or something, you don't want to hold your phone for a few hours. Just set it down, set the angle to how you want, and look at that, beautiful. Alright, so all in all, for $42 Australian, very happy with my purchase. Link down in the description as to where I got it from and how I paid for it. How did I pay for it? Just money, get over it. If you haven't already, please share this video, comment on it, like it, subscribe. I'm not forcing you, it's free. Alright, otherwise have a great new year. Happy holidays if there's still holidays in your part of the world, and I'll see you next time.